this is wmpyr. Thank you for joining me, and today's lesson is going to be single stick solo baston, and we're going to be combining the 5 angles of attack form with the figure 8 technique. Okay, so first of all, what you need to know is the 5 angles of attack. So the 5 angles of attack is this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so it's a diagonal, diagonal, horizontal, horizontal, and then stab right there. You need to know this form very well. Okay, the next one that we're going to move into is the figure 8 technique, which is this: 1, 2, 3. Just keep going like this. All right, the main thing is you're making a figure 8 motion, so it is a sideways figure 8, not vertical, but sideways this way. And the other key point is that you're striking from the bottom and the bottom. So you could also go from the top like this, and typically this one is called an X strike. And if you go from the bottom like this, like what we were doing, this is called a figure 8. To me, they both are X's, and they're both figure 8s. So the way I like to describe them is figure 8 from the bottom, so bottom side figure 8, and then this one would be a figure 8 from the top, because I'm striking from the top, I'm coming in from the top. So that's the way I like to describe them. Just difference in terminology, not a big deal, but I find it a little bit more clear for me personally. So anyway, what we're going to be working with today is a figure 8 from the bottom. This bottom side figure 8 like this, because I'm striking from the bottom, striking from the bottom. So this is the figure 8 that you need to know for this one, and this is the one that's more natural out of the two. This one should feel a lot more comfortable. Alright, so you're going to combine them together. The idea is you're going to put the figure 8 before each strike when doing this, the 5 angles of attack. Before each one, you're going to add a figure 8 motion there. So let me just show you what it's going to look like. Okay, so 2, bam, 1, 2, bam, 1, 2, bam, 1, 2, bam, 1, 2, and then stab right there. So let me break it down now. Okay, so like I said, you're going to start off with a figure 8. Notice from the right side, it comes from the bottom, and that's my figure 8 right there. 1, 2, that's my figure 8, and then I do a diagonal slash, and that completes number 1. Okay, and now from the left side, I'm going to do a figure 8. 1, 2, and then I'm going to do a diagonal slash, and that completes my number 2 strike. Okay, and for number 3, now the hand is once again on the right side, so I start the figure 8 from the right side. So I do a figure 8 motion right here, so it goes 1, 2, and then I finish with a horizontal strike, and that's my number 3. Okay, so now on the left side, I'm going to start from the left side, the figure 8, 1, 2, and then finish with a horizontal strike. Okay, the last one is a stab, so I'm going to do the figure 8 first. So now that my hand's back on the right side again, from the right side, bottom side figure 8, 1, 2, and then from here I go into a stab. Okay, so let's do that again a little bit more smooth. Okay, so starting from the beginning, figure 8, diagonal slash, figure 8, diagonal slash, figure 8, horizontal slash, figure 8, horizontal slash, figure 8, stab. Okay, the key point is when you're doing the figure 8, which side is your hand going to start from? Is it going to start from the right side or the left side? So technically we're doing 2 different types of figure 8s. Like I said, a figure 8 that starts from the right side like this, or a figure 8 that starts from the left side like that. Okay, so once again, one last time, from the right side, figure 8 goes into a diagonal slash. Left side, figure 8 goes into a diagonal slash. Right side, figure 8 goes into a horizontal. Figure 8 from the left side goes into a horizontal. And then figure 8 from the right side and stab. So I hope that makes sense to you guys. I hope you had fun practicing. Thank you for watching, and take care, folks.